The sun is about to flip, not explode, not collapse, but reverse its magnetic field. And when it does, Earth will feel every pulse of that cosmic change. Blackouts, communication failures, satellite breakdowns, all triggered by something you have probably never even heard of: the solar cycle. This mysterious 11-year heartbeat of the sun controls everything from auroras in the sky to radiation storms in deep space. But what exactly is it, and why is NASA tracking it like a time bomb? What is the solar cycle, and why it might be the most important force in the solar system? At first glance, the sun looks like a giant, unchanging ball of fire, but deep beneath that glowing surface, a magnetic engine is constantly churning, twisting, coiling, building pressure. Every 11 years, that pressure flips the sun's magnetic field entirely. North becomes south, and the south becomes north. This event marks the peak of the solar cycle, the moment when the sun is its most violent. We call it a solar maximum, and during this phase, the sun bombards space with deadly flares, coronal mass ejections, and solar wind storms that can reach Earth in just days. But here's the terrifying part. The last time a powerful solar storm hit Earth, the 1859 Carrington event, telegraph system literally caught fire. And if that same storm hit us today, we could lose power grids, internet, satellites, and global navigation for months. NASA, NOAA, and even the US military now monitor the solar cycle daily, because if we miss a major event, the consequences could be apocalyptic. And we are not just guessing. Every major blackout event in modern history has lined up with the solar cycle's most active years. So what drives this cosmic phenomena? It begins with plasma, hot electrically charged gas inside the sun. As the sun rotates, this plasma drags magnetic fields around with it, twisting them like spaghetti. And like an overstretched rubber band, those tangled fields break. This violent reset reverses the sun's magnetic polarity. A calm sun becomes chaotic, then slowly quiet again. It's the cycle of tension and release, like a heartbeat of the star. We are currently in solar cycle 25, and it's approaching its peak around 2025. The magnetic flip is not a theory, it's coming. Imagine this: a colossal solar flare erupts, hurtling billions of tons of plasma straight towards Earth. Within 18 hours, satellites begin shutting down. Flights are grounded, the power grid across North America overloads, banks go offline, cell towers drop. This isn't science fiction, it's happened before, and the solar cycle tells us it can happen again, possibly soon. Thankfully, we now have an early warning systems. The Solar Dynamics Observatory and Parker Solar Probe are watching the sun like hawks. They give us precious hours, sometimes just minutes, to prepare. But the truth is, we are still learning. The sun hides secrets we don't yet understand. Why do the same cycles erupt more violently than others? Could the next one be stronger than anything we have seen in 10,000 years? And the most chilling of all, what if the solar cycle doesn't behave the way we expect? What if it suddenly weakens, stalls, or enter an extended minimum like it did during the Little Ice Age? We are standing on a cosmic ticking clock, and only the sun knows when it will strike next. The solar cycle is real, it's powerful, and it matters more than you think. And if you found this fascinating, our next video will blow your mind, and it's called The Mysterious Disappearance of Sunspots, Strange Patterns, Sudden Silences, and a Vanishing Act that could change our understanding of sun forever. So don't just watch, get involved, hit subscribe, turn notifications, comment your thoughts below, and click the link on the screen now to watch The Mysterious Disappearance of Sunspots. And I'll meet you in the next video.